because angabi lamadoda odade number 1 agcwele pha endlini emnyama etrongweni ubuninzi babo banqabile nobrother abasindisiweyo ndazi basabafumana ithi ke loo nto chances of you getting married, you know, are very slim.
Jesus.
And that's why competition is so high among the ladies as the years go by. But difuna nixole bantwana bam. Difuna uyazi ba if awufumana umtshato, it's not because you are ugly, it's not because awuna purpose in life, but it's because circumstances of life are like that. That you are not ndicela ungavuma umtshato just for the sake yokuba yo manditshate. Because the problem is there are so many divorces. The rate of divorce is so high. Precisely because people just went into marriage out of pressure. So you must be cautious about that matter. And you must know your purpose. Sometimes the person you are not good for marriage. The person you are not a very